My Frigidaire stove is giving an error message of F14. What does that mean, and do I need a repairman to fix it?
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Maybe 6 or 7 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's possible, but you're willing to have someone come in.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The 2 burners on the left, the quick boil and the small back burner, were not turning on. That is, the touch panel would not turn the burner on when I clicked, but later on the medium section came on, but not the hottest part.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. F14 mean that the touch control panel is failing on your unit. You can try to flip the breaker off for 5 minutes to see if the electronics will reset, but other than that, the only solution is to replace the touch control board. I'm very sorry about the bad news. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thank you. I'll try the breaker first before I decide about the drastic measures.
No problem, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.